Hello everybody, how are you doing? I'm from Jobs in Toronto, Canada. Today in this video I will show you how to get jobs in Canada and how to apply. So it's very easy and simple process. So guys, I'm going to show today's latest job. So friends, this is new and updated job, house kitchen staff required in Toronto, Canada. So let's check out the details and requirement for the job. House kitchen staff required in Toronto. Lavalley rooftop at 627 King Street West in Toronto. We are looking for an immediate start for the following positions. Sauce chefs full-time 45,000 to 48,000 per year. Hospitality kitchen expeditors full-time $14.25 per hour. Grill cooks full-time and part-time $16 to $18 per hour. Pan cooks full-time and part-time $16 to $18 per hour. Fryer cooks full-time and part-time $16 to $18 per hour. Sausage chefs full-time and part-time $20 per hour. Prep cooks part-time $15 to $16 per hour. If you are tired of sitting at home and want to get back into a busy environment, we are looking for you. If you are interested or know anyone, please let them know. Please note that compensation will range for the positions you are interested in. Please send your resume to this email address. So friends, these are the details and requirements for the job. So friends, these positions are required. So friends, if anyone interested in this job, so you can easily apply and send your updated profile to this email address. So friends, you must have a previous experience in relevant field, then you can easily apply. So friends, I hope you understand. Friends, this link is very helpful for you. So if anyone who can search more jobs related to your criteria and experience, so you can visit our Facebook page and you can also visit our website. In this website, daily basis job update and many other categories jobs available in the website, so you can easily visit and search jobs and you can easily apply. So first of all, you will watch this video. This video is very helpful for you to apply a job. So friends, this link given in the video description on YouTube page, so you can easily visit. So if you like this video, please click the thumbs up, and if you not subscribe my channel, so please subscribe my channel and click the bell icon for new update videos. I regularly keep bringing you new updated videos for you. So friends, thanks for watching.